These are problems 5 and 6 from page 274 on the Target 5 and 6 homework assignment. The directions say to prove the triangles are congruent, state the theorem you would use. Determine if you have enough information to prove the triangles are congruent. So for number 5, I have angle Z and angle L. That's one angle. I have side YZ and side LK. And that's one side. And I also have side XY and side KJ. So I have a third side. I want to determine whether or not the angle is in between the sides or whether the angle is not included in between the sides. If I look at this, it's a little bit ugly, so I'm going to erase one of these. I can use my highlighter to show the two parts that I see. So those are the two sides that I'm using in both triangles. The included angle, if it was included, would be right here at angle K. But that's not the angle I have. The angle I have is L. That means the angle is outside. So I have side-side angle. Side-side angle, if you look at the bottom right, is not one of your options. Side-side angle is not guaranteed to work. You cannot use it as a congruence theorem unless, I drew an arrow down the bottom, unless you have a right angle. But angle L and Z are not told to us to be right angles. So number 5, the answer is no. You cannot determine if they are congruent. There is not enough information to determine that they are congruent. Or they're not congruent based on the information you have. For number 6, if I again start with what I see, I have angle S and angle T, which is an angle. I have side VT and side VS, which is a side, and that's all that's shown. We need to remember that we can use vertical angles as well. So RVS, the V on top, UVT, the V on bottom, that is a third angle. To make sure that this is angle side angle and not angle angle side, because I have to decide between which of those it is, angle side angle or angle angle side, I need to determine whether or not the side is included in between the angles. In this case, it is. So it's angle side angle congruence.